everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. And in today's episode I'm going to share with you a very interesting chicken recipe, that is chicken rara or rara chicken, which is a very famous Punjabi food generally found in Punjab, Delhi and north side of the India. Very delicious, very flavorful, but easy to make at home. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So let's start making interesting restaurant style rara chicken. For that, first I'm going to make a spice mix. For that, here I have taken 5-6 cloves and 3 cardamom or elaichi, and I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, dry roast them. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of maize or jawitri and dry roast them as well, and I'm going to grind them into fine powder. Next, here I have taken 400 grams of chicken with bone. Now I'm going to make the marinade for it. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of plain yogurt or dahi. To that I have added 1/4 teaspoon of jaifal powder or nutmeg powder. Now I am going to add the roasted and grounded spice mix that we just prepared. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of salt, and now I am going to mix everything together so there is no lumps and the marinade will be very smooth. It's done. Now I'm going to put it into the chicken. So add all the marinade into it, and I'm going to add the rest of the ground spice mix. We're not going to waste anything. It's very spicy and flavorful. Now I'm going to marinate it nicely, massage all the chicken nicely with the marinade, and I'm going to keep it marinated for 2 hours in room temperature. After 2 hours we will be back. So after 2 hours I'm going to start the cooking process. For that, here in a pan I've taken 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Yes, Punjabis also use mustard oil just like the Bengalis. Now it's nice and hot. To that, added 3 bay leaves or tej patta, 2 whole red chilies, 1-inch cinnamon stick or darchini, 2 cardamom pods or elaichi, and few cloves. And then goes chopped onion. I have taken 2 large onion and chopped them very finely. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to sweat the onions and also for taste as well. Now I'm going to fry it on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it will be caramelized. Okay, leave it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we're back, and you can see they are quite nicely caramelized and cooked. So now stir it a bit, and then I'm going to add the next ingredient, which is ginger garlic paste. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and fry them for 2-3 minutes as well over medium flame, and done. Next, it's all fried up and caramelized nicely. So next I'm adding tomatoes. Here I have taken a large tomato and chopped them. Now fry them over medium flame till this softens. Now we are back, and the tomatoes are quite softer. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Here I have added, and mix. Next goes red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Adjust the heat or the spiciness according to your taste bud. But Rara chicken is quite spicy. Next, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, dhaniya powder, and mix it. Okay, done. Now I'm going to add the marinated chicken with all the marinade and toss them up. Okay, mix everything up. Now cover it and I'm going to cook it on medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we're back and see, I have released quite little water, and in this 15 minutes I have tossed them few times. Again I'm going to toss them. Now 2 green chilies for flavor. I haven't slitted them. Next goes 250 grams of chicken mince or chicken paste. This is what made this Rara chicken very interesting. You have both big pieces of chicken, also in the gravy you will find some chicken bits or chicken mince. That's why this Rara chicken is very famous and very interesting, isn't it? Now mix it thoroughly. Now I'm going to add a cup of water. It's quite warm water, and mix it. Done. Now again I'm going to cover it, and over low flame I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we're back, and you can see they have released some more water as well, and the chicken is cooked through. Now I'm going to turn the gas flame to high because we don't need this much gravy. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala powder and mix it. All the chicken mince and the chicken pieces are done. So over high flame for 5 minutes I've cooked them, and the extra water is evaporated and it's ready. Now I'm going to serve it. Serve it with some butter naan, kulcha, paratha, or roti or tandoori roti, and it's delicious. Your dinner is sorted. Make this delicious recipe of Rara chicken for your friends and family and kids, and trust me, they're going to love it. And let me know in the comment section below how was the experience, how was the dish, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.